if you are from a jurisdiction where the soft skills are quite different from the ones required by the SRA, including advocacy and drafting, civil law jurisdiction, how can someone satisfy the QWE? Okay, and then it goes on to 4 SQE2 exemption. I think that's a little confused. So I might break that into 2 questions. So what I may say, I'll paraphrase this question. So QWE acquired in can you acquire QWE in a civil law jurisdiction? And the answer is yes. The drafting may be a little different, but you still will be drafting legal documents. By the way, the QWE, you don't need to have all the competencies. I would say the more that you can evidence, the better it is, but you don't have to have all of them. So most of my clients haven't got the advocacy side of it because they're not yet qualified, or they're working in-house and they wouldn't go to court anyway. But I have confirmed the qualifying work experience of plenty of people working in civil jurisdictions. It's not a problem because the soft skills, and if I just share the screen again, are really, really broad. If I can find this in here, of course, Word freezes. There we go. Acting with honesty and integrity and according to the law that applies to you. This I interpret as doing CPD, knowing you need to train to keep your knowledge up to date, knowing where your limits are, when you need to seek your supervisor's approval, things like that, being able to gather information, critically analyze it, and then provide legal advice. All of that's relevant so far to a civil jurisdiction as well as to a common law jurisdiction. Legal research, everyone does that. The drafting, I've confirmed QWE I'm just thinking of someone from France, and they were drafting a lot of stuff. Legal documents, contracts, for example, those sorts of things. Negotiation, that is a skill that you have across all jurisdictions. Planning your work, communicating, being able to build professional relationships, knowing you've got to keep records of your work. So good business practice. So those are very broad soft skills which would apply really across any jurisdiction.